Your go-to pie pan. ProBake Nonstick 9-inch pie pan is sure to become your go-to pie pan for all of your holiday gatherings or baking occasions. Superior release coating. No need for grease or cooking sprays. Food will release with ease and no sticky mess, making cleanup quick and easy. High performance. ProBake Nonstick 9-inch pie pan is coated with a Teflon Xtra Nonstick finish designed for high performance, making this an ideal pan to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. Quality steel construction. The professional weight steel heats evenly with no hot spots, producing golden brown baking results every time. With a nonstick surface and durable construction, the ProBake Nonstick 9-inch pie pan is sure to become your go-to pie pan for family gatherings, holidays, or any baking occasion. ProBake features a Teflon Xtra coating that's designed for high performance, making this pan ideal for everyday wear and tear. The professional weight steel heats evenly with no hot spots, ensuring an even golden crust, while the durable nonstick finish eliminates the need for fatty cooking sprays and oils, allowing pies to release with ease, making cleanup simple. The ProBake 9-inch nonstick pie pan is proudly made in the USA, made without PFOA. Pan is dishwasher safe, but hand wash and towel dry are recommended. Internal dimensions are 8.4 inch in diameter. External dimensions are 9.7 inch in diameter x 1 inch. Top reviews from the United States. Great non-stick pie baking pan. I really like my new non-stick pie baking pan. In fact, I wish I had gotten two. I had to toss my old ones which had oxidized and rusted. If I decide that I need two pie pans, I'll definitely reorder this one.